Okay, so this program is going to work out how much cat food you need a day. So the first thing we need to do is create a new project. And I'm going to call mine cat food. And then create. You'll remember that we need to right click on the source folder and create a new Java class. I'm going to call it main. And then you need to add the main method, which is the driver for the class. We're going to want user input. So we're going to import something called a scanner. But first of all, I'm going to create an integer to store the cat's age. Then I'm going to create a scanner so I can get the user input. To do this, I have to import a scanner class. But you'll see that it's using system, which means that everything's going to happen through the console. Then I'm going to ask the user what's the age of their cat. And I'm going to use the scanner class to store that in the cat age. So I type in the cat age, because that's the variable I want to store it in, and then whatever the person enters into the console, the next int, so the next integer, will be stored as a value for that variable. Now we're going to do some calculations. So the first thing you have to do is you have to create a double, because it will be a double. And then that's going to be the 200 grams minus the cat's age. Then we have to deal with the 10%. So next time I'm going to say amount of food equals amount of food minus the cat's age times 10%. And when I put this in brackets, that means that the order of operations will be performed correctly. Okay, now that I'm happy, I need to check that my calculations work. So I'm going to say system.outPrintLine and then print out the amount of food that I think the cat needs. So as you can see now in the console, I can enter the name of my cat and it shows me how much food.